Hi Hadi, today we are going to draw the flag of Latvia. It has only two colors, which is dark red and a white in the middle. Let's put the graphical outlines here. So this flag, you can see this is a rectangular shape, and I'm putting the two outlines with the red sign pen. Now I'm going to fill up the spaces here. Only two rectangles you can see, one on top which is quite elongated. All right, so we're filling up the colors. All right, this is the flag of Latvia, a nice flag. I hope you like the video. The flag, it is of rectangular color, rectangular shape, and on the red color and white color. The drawing looks good. This is very good for the beginners. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on to get more updates. We have lots of drawings in our playlist. You can browse through the playlist in different categories. Lots of drawings. So many drawings. All right. Thank you so much. Have a good day.